Get a high-quality backlink for your site. It also contains a domain authority of 95 out of 100. In order to take a backlink to our site from anywhere, we must first do an analysis of the site, because there are backlinks that can benefit us, and there are more backlinks that can actually harm us. In order to avoid harm, guys, before we add our site to any backlink, we must first do an analysis of the site, the domain, or the backlink that we are going to take. For example, today, guys, we will use the Medium website. It is a well-known website. You can use it to publish articles or posts of yours, just like Blogger or WordPress. You can also get profits from this site, but that is not our topic. Our topic is how to get a backlink from this site. You must use this method before you start adding your site to any backlink. You will take the site link and we will go to moz.com. We will stop at site overview, and then we will add a link. As you guys see, this is the domain from my authority for the Medium.com website, to which we will add our link, or we will take the backlink from it today. The domain authority is 95 out of 100, and the page authority is 85. This is a very excellent thing, and you can add your site with peace of mind. Of course, what is meant by the domain authority, guys, is domain authority, and the page authority is authority. The page is also the same. If we look at domain overview, you will find that domain authority is 95, brand authority is 64, and page authority is 85. To be more reassured, we will go to the Backlink Checker website. Through this website, we will be able to check the backlinks on the website or the backlinks that were taken by Medium.com. We will click on Check Backlinks, and after that, you will click on Me. I am not a robot program, as you said. You see, the domain rating is 94 out of 100. The rating on the site is 708 million backlinks. The number of domains on the site is 943,000. Our advice, guys, before you start adding your site to any backlink, you must do a scan to make sure that the site will not lead you to a spam score. Sorry if I took a long time in the introduction. Let's start the explanation. By the way, guys, we are through our website and channel, we provide SEO services. If you have a website, blog, or store, and your site lacks visibility in search engines, you will be able to contact me on the WhatsApp link found in the description below the video or in the first comment. We will examine your site and see what is appropriate for the site. We also provide social media services, such as fulfilling the conditions, any platform without exception, from social media platforms with high quality and from targeted countries as well. If you have a YouTube channel, and you want to see all your videos with their SEO in this form, 100 out of 100, and at the top of the YouTube search results. If you guys need any services, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, or the WhatsApp link. You will find it in the description below the video or in the first comment. And now, guys, let's start explaining. But before we start, guys, I ask you to pray for our oppressed brothers, and our Mujahideen brothers in Yemen and Palestine and the rebels of Muslim countries. O God, grant victory to Islam and dearest Muslims, in the name of God, and prayers and peace be upon the messenger of God. How are you, guys? I am your brother Ahmed Hamzawi. This is the Net Profit channel, a channel specialized in explanations of making money from the internet. For this reason, please, and it is not an issue if you are watching the channel for the first time, I hope we are honored by subscribing and activating the bell button on everyone so that you receive all new things as you like. We said, guys, today we will use the Medium website, and we said at the beginning that the site can publish articles and posts on it, but today we are getting a backlink from this site, which contains a very high domain rights and also a high domain. Here, guys, there are two ways you can get a backlink from this site. The first method, guys, is very easy and is the way to add links and keywords in the comments, but the best way is to add a post on the site as follows. You see that all these people are adding posts, and you can also add the source link on the basis that you are telling the site that this article is in another place. As we said at the beginning, guys, the Medium platform is a platform for publishing articles and posts. I mean, you can publish your articles on it and you can also make a profit from it, but this is not our topic today. Our topic is backlinks, so that you can get a backlink from this site in two ways. The first way is a very easy method of commenting. For example, you enter the search engine and search for your snack. I search for a travel snack and it appears. It shows you some articles. As you have seen, that have a very large interaction. The articles on this site, the number of visits on this site, guys, exceeds 2 million visits a month. Of course, you choose the post according to the interaction on the posts. Usually, the most interaction will be at the top. I will click on the first post. In the comments, you can add your link. For example, this is the guy's website of one of my clients or the clients that I work for in the field of SEO on their site. This is a travel site. If we go to one of the articles first, guys, I will take the title of the article. As you guys see, copy, I will go to the comments box. I will add the title of the article in this place. As you can see, is a normal text. After that, I will come back a second time. I will take the link to the page or the link inside the title. This is the same link to the page. If we click on it, you will find yourself on the same page. There is no problem. I can right click here and tell him to copy the link to study or copy the link from above. Click on it, copy link to study. I will return again to the comments. I will select the text. Right click and click on chapter like this. I converted the text to a link at the same time, guys. So, I did not add the links. Only if I downloaded, for example, a second line here, I will add only the links that I copied right now. See how the links look. We do not want to talk like this. We always want any backlink that you can take or a backlink that looks like this. It is a text so that you can grab the keyword inside the link. So here I am. I will never add a backlink in any place like this, guys. The most important thing is that you add text and add inside this text your link here. I can make this font bold so that it remains clear like that. Of course, we will remove this link completely. It remains as we said. This is the way you added any backlink in the comments. After that, we will click on comment. This is the final form in the comment, guys. If we click on it, it will take us directly to the site or to the page that you guys were on just now. This was the first way, guys. It is a very easy method, but I recommend the next method because it is actually the best and it is the one that will help your site and your links rank on search engines. Of course, guys, we must be registered for an account on the site so that we can make a comment on any post or add an article as well. As we said on the site, the best way to get a backlink from this site, guys, is to publish articles. You will tell me, okay, I need to publish articles on my site, so I will publish articles on this website. I will tell you, no at all, you are not required to do that. You will take the same article that you have on the website and add it here. Copy best, without any hassle, exactly in 5 seconds. Okay, as for copyrights, there are, of course, no copyrights that will harm you in any way. Firstly, because the original article is on your site. Secondly, here the Medium website gives you the opportunity to choose that this article exists in another place, and it gives you the opportunity to choose that this article exists in another place. Adding a link to the source of this article, as there is no problem in terms of copyright. 2. Start adding an article to the site. We will click on the word or tag that you guys see like this, and here the page for adding the article will open for you. I will go to the client's website. As you guys see, I will open this article first. Guys, we will take the title of the article. We will go to the site. We will add the title in the title box. After that, guys, I will go back to the site again and start. I copy the entire article like this, and I will post pictures and videos of anything that is available. I will take a copy and go back to the Medium website. I will click here to open a new plus tag for me. After that, I will click and wait a few seconds. The article will start downloading. As you guys see, you see this, the whole article with pictures and links to videos of everything. If anything is present, you will find it as it is in the place. Of course, as we said, guys, so we can add any necessary link. We add the link inside an important keyword related to the field. If I go back to the client's website and take the website link or the home page links, I will select the sentence, and then I will click on the link mark. From here, I will add the link in the box that appears and I will press it again. As you can see, the link has been added. If you click on the word, you will find the link appears in this place, so always add the friendly link. A piece of advice I advise you is do not add a link in the form, for example, that you see. Do not try to add links. Start in this form. You will not capture a keyword from it. We want to capture the keywords. Always add the link inside a keyword or a keyword here. It is to travel Europe. Okay, we can add the link inside this word. As for the links, that is enough, guys. Once it is there, even if there is only one link to your site, there is no problem. You will take a backlink from the site. After that, we click on the text. Here you can add text to the image because images also help you appear in search engines. Guys, images have a very large factor, and do not even try on your site to leave the image without a title or without alternative text. You must add alternative text to the image as you have seen here. We will return to the site and I will take, for example, the address that you see. We will go back and add this text under the image, and we will click on the sort of all the images. You must do the same thing in them. I will add an alternative text to the images. I will come back to you again after I have added the links and alternative texts to the images. We will click on here. It tells you to add a topic so that the readers can know from the outside what the content of the article is. We will add the title of the article to it, and we will click on Start Now. The article has been published. Guys, as you can see, you can share the article on Facebook, at Twitter, on LinkedIn, and you can also take the link to the article from here. You can hear the reading, but this is in the paid version on the site. After that, guys, here in some settings, if we click here, there is an opportunity to edit it on the site, and you can pin it to your profile. And here in the story settings and statistics, for example, if we click on edit, the second page of the article will open for you to edit. Here in the story settings, we will click on it, and here, guys, there is another important setting, which is the SEO setting, search engine optimization. You can edit the title and description. Of course, guys, in less than a minute, you will have a professional article on the Medium website. Also, site visits exceed 2 million visits per month, even after about 10 or 15 days. Guys, I checked your site on Backlink Checker. In order to see the existing backlinks, you will find a Medium site that has been added with the currently existing backlinks. Today's video, guys, is the beginning of a series of explanations of search engine optimization and obtaining high-quality backlinks for free. In the coming days, we will of course explain a very large number of these sites for obtaining free backlinks. But as I said to you at the beginning of the video, if you are in a hurry on your site and want it to appear quickly in search engines, you will get paid. Global backlinks are also permanent backlinks that are never deleted or removed. These backlinks are also linked to the search words for your site or the most famous in the field that you are working on. Meaning, in other words, we will catch your keyword. You can contact me on the WhatsApp number or the WhatsApp link you will find in the description below the video or in the first comment. And so on. Guys, we have reached the end of today's explanation. I hope you liked the explanation. Do not forget to support us with a like and share so that the explanation reaches others and benefits. Even if you are here, it is still the first time we have honored the channel. I hope you support us by subscribing and activating the bell button on everyone so that you receive all new updates. Thank you. And with you was your brother, Ahmed Hamzi from the Net Profit channel.